Why do some individuals remain composed under pressure while others crumble? Why do some persist through pain, while others surrender at the first hurdle? The answer isn't luck, it's mental toughness. Today, we're diving deep into building an unbreakable mind through discipline and emotional control. Discipline isn't about grand gestures, it's forged in daily habits. Establishing consistent routines creates a foundation of stability, reducing stress and enhancing resilience. Start with morning rituals. Set a consistent wake-up time and begin your day with activities that ground you. Physical activity. Incorporate regular exercise to boost mental and physical strength. Mindful practices. Engage in meditation or journaling to center your thoughts. These practices, repeated daily, build the mental muscle needed to face challenges head-on. High-stress situations can hijack our emotions, leading to reactions we might regret. To maintain control, pause and breathe. Take a moment to inhale deeply, hold, and exhale slowly. This simple act can reset your emotional state. Psych central ground yourself. Use techniques like the 5-4-3-2-1 method to anchor yourself in the present. Very well, mind reframe the situation. Shift your perspective by asking, what can I learn from this? By practicing these strategies, you can navigate high-pressure moments with clarity and poise. Reliance solely on motivation is a common pitfall. Motivation is fleeting. It comes and goes. Discipline, however, is steadfast. To cultivate discipline, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and why. Break tasks into steps. Divide your goals into manageable actions. Stay consistent. Commit to daily efforts, regardless of how you feel. By focusing on discipline over motivation, you create a reliable path to success. Building an unbreakable mind isn't about eliminating challenges. It's about strengthening your response to them. Through daily discipline, emotional control, and unwavering commitment, you can transform obstacles into opportunities. Start today and take the first step toward becoming the strongest version of yourself. Ready to master your mind and take control of your life? Subscribe for more insights and strategies to build resilience, discipline, and emotional intelligence. Let's embark on this journey together.